I tell people that I opened St. Arnold's in 1994, which turned out to be a brilliant idea in 2006.
In recent years, the microbrewing industry has become hugely popular. Today, there are more than 1,300 microbreweries in the U.S., including more than 300 microbreweries in California alone. But for every barrel of beer that is produced, anywhere from 3 to 7 barrels of water are wasted. This provides a huge quantity of wastewater that has great potential for reclamation and reuse. So what if we could close the loop on the water cycle within the context of local beer production? By creating large industrial wetland parks, we can bring people, industry, and agriculture together to create a more holistic system in a dynamic civic space we'll call a brew field. There already exists a strong social culture around the microbrewing industry. So why not use this momentum as a catalyst to promote more social awareness around our water crisis?
The people. It's always like a party, all the time. The beer's good too, but the people are better.
Along with water treatment infrastructure, the industrial park would include a tap room, local restaurants, event spaces, recreation trails, and a city farm. Just imagine a public park where you could go grab a beer with some friends and get your grocery shopping done at the same time. As a result, you're supporting your local brewer, supporting your local farmer, and supporting environmental stewardship. So our loop would look something like this. First, we have our breweries, outputting their wastewater, spent grain, and of course, the beer. The wastewater then moves through pre-treatment tanks and makes its way to tertiary treatment ponds, which are the basis for our industrial park. The spent grain is both composted and used as livestock feed to produce organic fertilizers for our new city farm. The treated water then links up to city irrigation, provides water for our city farm, and also returns to breweries, where it may be used in the cooling process. Ultimately, the people drink the beer and consume the food, which creates happier, healthier, and friendlier communities cultivated around the intelligent use of local resources.